Welcome to Sino Amigo Power Transmission Distribution. Social accountability. Our mission: good quality made in China, so for global village. Our vision is to be an innovative national brand. Operating mechanism. This is our core products for operating mechanism, which is the core part for VCB. Our Sino Amigo operating mechanism is not only supplied for our own VCB, but also for many big brands as core parts. As a leading manufacturer for both operating mechanism and the vacuum circuit breaker in China, like the CTB, CT20, 085 and permanent magnetic operating mechanism. The CTB is for ZW32 type vacuum circuit breaker. CT20 is operating mechanism for ZW20 vacuum circuit breaker, and Z85 is 35 kV indoor vacuum circuit breaker. Content. Material control. The raw material are selected layer by layer. After the defects are removed, they are carefully installed by the staff. Storage. Neatly placed inside area with protection. Packing. The suitable packing to protect the operating mechanism as the parts. Quality control. The raw material inspection. All the components before come into our warehouse, we will make the raw material inspection 100% inspection for every component. Automatic test for operating mechanism. This is also 100% test for every operating mechanism during the production. Power frequency test and the lightning impulse with standing voltage test, which maximum can test for 300 kV. The operation mechanism after install into the vacuum circuit breaker, we will make a test for the complete vacuum circuit breaker to test its power frequency, and the sample will also be tested for lightning impulse with standing voltage. The lightning impulse with standing voltage, this equipment usually only available in the authority laboratory. Because according to the IEC standard, the 35 kV vacuum circuit breaker, its lightning impulse with standing voltage required is 185 kV. But our equipment can maximum supply to test 300 kV, which is much more than the IEC standard required. Pre-shipment inspection. We have a long-term good relationship with the professional agent, with formal final inspection for all products. Packing method checked to ensure the goods are being protected. Factory keep the final inspection record for future reference, one copy to clients. After-sales service. We have already been to Cambodia, Philippines, Tanzania, Congo, and other countries for after-sales service, testing, and training. We are not only to supply the products to overseas, then that is not finished. We can also supply after-sales service. ISO Qualified Certificate. We are well experienced, have complete certificates. All our factories have been tested by ISO 9000 for quality control, ISO 14000 for environment, and ISO 18000 for the health. The VCB factory and the switchgear factory all were approved by ISO. Our products also have been tested by Authority Library and with English version test report. For circuit breaker, for operating mechanism and switchgear. Also, sometimes the power utility company, they will also visiting our company for factory test. This is the factory test from ZESCO, which is the Zambia power utility company. We also have close relationship with the well-known clients as below. ZESCO, Zambia Electricity Supply Company. NGCP, the National Grid Corporation of Philippines. Otherwise, Abu Dhabi Water Electricity Authority. TANESCO, Tanzania Electric Supply Company. And China Grid, the State Grid Corporation of China. Events. Young team with positive energy and innovative ideas. We will work together with you to create a successful business and a prosperity life together. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and if you want to know more about us, please contact our website or LinkedIn, Facebook.